friends, welcome to the complete version test guide with practice set. We will start with what is version test. The version assessment are tailored to evaluate an individual's performance in four core skills, that is speaking, writing, listening and reading. The test duration ranges from 17 to 50 minutes and the results are promptly provided after the completion. There are different kind of tests, so the duration varies from 17 to 50 minutes. Now coming to the section of Versant exam. So there are 6 sections. Part A, Part B, Part C, Part D, Part E and Part F. We will discuss all the section in detail. So clearing the Pearson Versant exam require preparation and practice. So coming to the very first point, it is to understand the test format. So for that you need to familiarize yourself with the exam format, section and the skills being assessed, which mainly consist of pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary and grammar. Knowing what to expect will help you focus your preparation. The second point, practice speaking English. Regularly practice speaking English with native speaker or in English speaking environment. You can join language exchange group, practice with language partner or participate in English speaking event. The third one is improve pronunciation. Work on your pronunciation by listening to native speaker, mimicking their speech pattern and paying attention to the word stress and intonation. This will help you sound more natural during the speaking test. The fourth one is take practice test. Find sample test or mock exam online and attempt them to get a feel for the test structure and the type of questions asked. This will help you identify area where you need to improve. I will give you the link of the practice or mock exam so in the description box. The fifth point is analyze your weakness. In this, identify your weakness in speaking and listening and focus on improving those specific areas. Practice more on topics or skills where you are facing difficulties. The sixth one is stay calm and confident. Nervousness can affect your performance, so try to stay calm and confident during the exam. Take deep breath if you feel anxious and remember that practice and preparation will boost your confidence. The seventh point, which is not mentioned over here, while giving the exam, make sure you are using a good quality headset. So part A. Part A is the repeat section. In this task, candidates are asked to repeat 16 verbatim sentence spoken to them through their headphones. Sentence range in length from 3 to 15 words. As the sentences increasing in length and complexity, the task become increasingly difficult for speakers who are not familiar with English sentence structure. So you need to be very attentive when you are hearing the sound. The part B, that is known as sentence building. For the sentence building task, candidates hear 8 short phrases and are asked to rearrange them to make a sentence. The phrases are presented in a random order and the candidate says a reasonable and grammatical sentence that comprises exactly the 3 given phrases. To correctly complete this task, a candidate must understand the possible meanings of the phrases and know how they might combine with other phrasal material. both with regard to syntax and pragmatics. The part C, that is conversation. In conversation task, candidates listen to the conversation between two speakers, which typically consist of three short sentences. Immediately after the conversation, an examiner voice asks a comprehension question and the candidate answer the question with a word or a short phrase. Like, where was he last night? So, as per the conversation, if the person who is referred here was in a club, you need to mention the person was in the club. The part D, that is sentence completion. In this task, candidate need read a sentence that has a word missing and they supply an appropriate word to complete the sentence. During this time, candidate must read and understand the sentence. Retrieve a lexical item to complete the sentence and type the word in the text box provided. Across all items in this task, candidates are exposed to sentences with word missing from various part of speech and from different position in sentences. Sentence initial, sentence medial and sentence final. The party, that is known as dictation. In the dictation task, candidates hear a sentence and they must type a sentence exactly as they hear it. The item present a range of grammatical and syntactical structure, including imperative where questions, contractions, plural possession, various tenses and particles. The audio item prompts are spoken with a natural pace and rhythm by various native and non-native speaker voices that are distinct from the examiner voice. Part F, that is passage reconstruction. A passage reconstruction is similar to a task known as free recall or immediate recall. In this task, a short passage is presented for 30 seconds, after which the passage disappears and the candidate has 90 seconds to reconstruct the content of the passage in writing. The passages are short stories about common situation involving character, action, event, reasons, consequences or result. The result, scores and weight are the VEPT score report is comprised of an overall score and 4 skill score. So in the next video, I will be giving the link of the practice set of all the sections so that you can practice this before giving your Versant examination. Thank you and hope you like this video.